Naturopathic Medicine Ambassador. I am here today at the 2023 NHAA Naturopathic Symposium. I'm here with one of the speakers, Sophia Gerontakos. Now, I'm so excited to talk to her about the amazing work she's doing. Sophia, tell us a little bit about what you're talking about.
Thanks, Emma. I'm talking about group naturopathic consultations tomorrow. So part of my PhD research last year, we ran a pilot study looking at group naturopathic consultations for women with endometriosis. And it went really well, both for patients and practitioners. And so now, following on from that, we've got a couple of naturopaths actually implementing group consultations in their regular practice. So tomorrow is going to be talking all about the ins and outs of that, and really other people have expressed interest in doing things a little bit differently in their practice. So we're just going to be talking about, how to set it up, what you need, the ins and outs of running group consultations, basically.
Yeah, because I think it's an amazingly different way to look at offering naturopathic care to the community. And I feel like we've all got so much to learn in that space. You're really leading the way. Your PhD, you're doing it at the National Centre for Naturopathic Medicine. How's it been working there, studying there? What's the experience like?
Yeah, it's been really great for me. I love the Northern Rivers, so that's a nice place to live, and also just the team environment there is really nice. I'm very well supported and I like being part of the team and, being in there with them.
Yeah, it's a beautiful part of the world, isn't it?
It is, it's lovely. Yeah.
Amazing. Thanks for joining us today.
Thank you.
We'll see you soon, talking to you from the NHAA Naturopathic Symposium in 2023.